Hi guys, this is Alex from BlackboxMyCar, and today we're introducing you to BlackVue's B-124X battery pack, the newest upgrade to the B-124. Designed for BlackVue Dash Cams, the B-124X is an excellent solution to extend parking mode recording and eliminate wear and tear on the vehicle's battery. The B-124X is made of lithium iron phosphate that can withstand extreme temperatures, go through more charge cycles, and best of all, more environmentally friendly than a traditional lithium-ion battery. Let's take a look inside the box. Let's take a quick look at the BlackVue app for the B-124X, available for both iOS and Android. Through the app, you can see the charge percentage, charging voltage, and remaining time until a full charge. Once unplugged, you can see how long of a duration your battery will stay charged. You can also change some subtle changes, such as enabling a beeping sound when charging to the battery is complete. The B-124X is now available for purchase at BlackboxMyCar. As always, thank you for watching and making BlackboxMyCar the #1 dashcam retailer across North America. If you have any questions you would like to see answered in a video, please contact us at info@blackboxmycar.com. Everything mentioned in this video can be found in the description below.